काळ्या पारी विशुद्ध सर्वगाती परिशुद्ध सर्व तथागत सिंचामे समास्वासायंतो सर्व तथागत समास्वासा अधिष्ठिते बुडिया बुडिया विबुडिया बोधाया बोधाया विबोधाया समंत परिशुद्ध सर्व तथागत हृदय अधिष्ठानाधिष्ठिता महामुद्रे सोहा.
I originally tried to use Longcat Video Avatar to implement multi-shot reference and generate digital people, but the speed was too slow. After the community optimizes it later, I will try to use Longcat Video Avatar to achieve it. So here I use inviteCode, which I felt was better before, to implement it. Next, let's see how the workflow is implemented. As usual, let's look at the parameters first. I implemented the picture through another workflow, which was built through the Z1 open source Gen1 2511 image editing model. The model loading here also has some parameters. I believe it's not too difficult, so I won't say more. Note here that the batch editing prompt words are in the form of lines. Just fill it out. This is the same as the previous video of image batch production. Just fill in the prompt words in the form of rows. What I have here is 4 lines. The results can be seen here. The editor generates 4 images. Let's go back to this workflow. Put the generated storyboard pictures or the storyboard pictures generated by other models. Just transfer it to the batch of comments. Prompt words. Fill in different prompt words based on the storyboards you uploaded. Note here that each line corresponds to the picture one-to-one. You should be able to see the numbers here. You can fill in different prompt words according to your own needs. It's convenient for me to test here, so I write the same thing. For video quality, I set the maximum video size here to 1280. You can set different settings according to your own hardware configuration. Here is where to upload the audio. Through these 2 parameters, you can set the audio length of your reference, final output subtracted audio, and the length of the audio. In this group, I mainly use it when I enter loop sampling. Preprocess some data. First, scale the storyboard uploaded earlier. Finally, different pictures are referenced through the log. Pass it to this plugin for batch processing. Include audio length here. There is also a list of prompt words. Pay attention here. The pictures taken here must correspond to the number of pictures uploaded previously. Otherwise, the index will not be found and an error will be reported. The time here should be set like this. For example, I want to generate the first picture in 3 seconds. Then generate 3 seconds starting from 0 seconds. Then time 2 should be written as 3. If the second picture also takes 3 seconds to generate, then time 3 should be 6. Because the start time is calculated from the last end time. Last time ended 3 plus the number of seconds you want to generate. So time 3 is 6 seconds. The following time setting makes sense. How many seconds is appropriate for each segment to be generated? In fact, it can depend on where your audio pauses. Just set the seconds to where. This generates the best results. The final output will have 4 list parameters. Respectively for the picture list. Total number of frames per sample is equivalent to the number of seconds it takes to generate numbers for each picture. Prompt word list. The last one is the number of seconds filled in earlier. With the previous preprocessed data, the next loop body is simple. First, set 2 initial values. This initial value is first given as 0, passed to value 1. It is to obtain the next time the audio is embedded into the slice. Where to start taking. This initial value is set to the first picture. Is to combine the batches for the first time. And you are not empty. If you don't combine it p times, an error will be reported. The final generated video will have 1 more frame. It won't have much impact. It's really not possible. It's okay to go in the end. I won't deal with it here. Little impact. Then the total number of times of this cycle. This is the number of picture lists referenced above. Just get it directly here. Prompt word side. Directly through index any. Just go to the current index. Refer to the picture for a reason. Also through index any. Just go to the current index. Finally, there is the audio aspect. Note here. The total number of frames must be greater than or equal to the length of your initialized audio. I will directly give you 10,000. Because my audio does not exceed this number, then there is the audio embedding slice length. This is the list above. You can get it by taking the current index. To start this, you need to calculate value 1 plus. Each time the audio is embedded, the length of the slice is enough. The previous 3 pieces have been set up. You can pass in samples. Then combine the value to image batches. Keep looping until they end. Finally generate video. I have uploaded the workflow to RunningHub. In the field of config, RunningHub is a great online workbench. As long as new models and new extensions appear, it will follow up as soon as possible. You can register for RunningHub through the invitation link in my video description area, and you can get 1000 free points. In addition, if you log into RunningHub every day, you will also get 100 points as a gift, so that you can try to run your own or other people's workflows. Okay, that's it for today. If you like it, you can support it with 1 click and 3 clicks.